everyone! Welcome back to Stock and Crypto World with VJ. Today, we're diving into a critical event in the Bitcoin world. Bitcoin ETF outflows surpassing $288 million right after Labor Day. What does this mean for BTC prices and the crypto market? Let's break it down and look at what could be coming next for Bitcoin investors. Bitcoin ETF outflows surge post-Labor Day, so what's happening? U.S. Bitcoin ETFs are seeing massive outflows after the long U.S. Labor Day weekend. On September 3rd, these ETFs bled out a staggering $288 million. That's right, investors pulled out their money, signaling a clear risk-off mode. This means people are becoming cautious, moving away from riskier investments like Bitcoin. The largest outflow came from Fidelity's Bitcoin Trust Fund, where $162.3 million was withdrawn. Meanwhile, Grayscale saw $51.4 million leave, and ARK21 shares had $33.6 million in outflows. Surprisingly, big names like BlackRock and WisdomTree held steady, showing no new flows. What does this mean for Bitcoin? The result of these massive outflows? Bitcoin's price has been struggling. Right now, BTC is sitting at 56.6K, down 12% from its recent high of 64K. We haven't seen much upward movement, and it looks like low demand from U.S. investors is keeping Bitcoin in check. Here's where it gets interesting. The Coinbase Premium Index, which measures the demand for BTC from U.S. investors, is showing weak numbers. Historically, when demand from the U.S. drops, Bitcoin struggles to find upward momentum. So, the lack of U.S. interest is adding pressure to Bitcoin's price. ETF investors sticking to a risk-off mode. This drop in Bitcoin ETF inflows isn't just a one-off. According to Soso Value data, there's been a steady decline in ETF flows for the past 5 trading days. Last week alone, we saw a cumulative $287 million flow out of these funds. This trend points to investors sticking with a risk-off approach, especially after Labor Day. What's next for Bitcoin? So where do we go from here? Analysts have mixed opinions, but most are projecting a tough September for Bitcoin. QCP Capital has noted that September historically isn't a great month for BTC, and we're seeing that play out right now. But there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon. Looking ahead to October and Q4, analysts are more optimistic. Historically, October has been a strong month for Bitcoin, with bullish momentum picking up. QCP Capital even pointed out a surge in call option buying, signaling that some traders expect BTC to rally in the coming months. Final thoughts. While Bitcoin's short-term outlook looks a bit shaky, there could be brighter days ahead in October and Q4. But for now, ETF investors are clearly in risk-off mode, and U.S. demand remains weak. This is something all Bitcoin investors should keep an eye on. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the stock and crypto world. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.